Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add or edit about me page. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page, and when you're here you can see it here. Let's see, about. Okay, and here we have it. Now just click here on edit, and you can choose the image, upload, like here, and I will just edit it. Really simple, save and close, and here we got it. Really cool about me page. And you can also change the page layout if you want, and you can edit, hey everybody, my name is Marcus, you to enjoy the life. So this is how you do it, and this is how you edit the about me page. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll try to help you, give you some feedback, guidance. You know how it works. So yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.